On today's video, I'm going to be assembling a Neewer NL660 light. Now, this does apply for some of the different versions of these lights, but it's all pretty much the same, and they're pretty simple. So we got here the full light already unboxed and everything. I got an unboxing video of this in the description below. This video isn't about unboxing. This video is about assembly, because you might got these new and you want to know some of the features and what it can do. So let's just go ahead and get one assembled. The first thing when you get these, you just pretty much come in a box. You can buy them single or in kits, 3 kits, up to 3, whatever you need. They come in a lot of kits, basically what I'm saying. This is a brand new one, ain't never been opened. It comes in plastic, comes in this nice little case here that you can pack it around with. So you can buy just the lights. These little cases got a nice little pouch here you can put stuff in. And you don't need to buy stands, but you can buy a kit that comes with stands or batteries. This kit does not come with batteries. You can buy them separate. For my use at the moment, I do not need the battery. That's what you get. More details about all this stuff and the voltage and everything in the unboxing video. This is assembly. I should say this is assembly / setup video. Got ain't much assembly to this. You got a power brick, it's just standard, it plugs in. I done got one plugged into a light over there, but we're gonna have to have 2 going for this video, because I'm using one of these lights at the moment. I bought a kit of 3. Cables I just wrapped up with this bread tie. You may call it a cable tie. I used to get loaves of bread with these on them, so it's a bread tie to me. On the back of your light, well, let's start on the side since we're done on this side. Get it? Since we're done here, you can lower this bracket. It gives you more height or low, you know, you can adjust this. You loosen this up to move this. They one on each side. That one's super tight. There we go. Loosen this one up. It moves just like a hinge. So you can adjust it and tighten them up. On the back side, this is where your power goes. Now, on the last one I hooked up, it fit very snug. And this one does too. So when you move these around, you don't have to worry about them popping out. So we get closer. You have your white and your yellow, and it's pretty much controls the color and the dimness of your light itself. This is for batteries, optional. You don't need them to use this unless you're not going to use AC power. And if you was using batteries, you would flip it over to this. The other one is power, so let's turn it on. Now, these is optional too. You do not need the shades, but I prefer them on any kind of lighting. And this is it. You can see it's very bright. So let's play with the settings kind of at an angle. Let me see where you guys can see good. There you go. This is the dim. You can see we can go pretty dim. Now we can turn it all the way off, or we can brighten up the color to yellow for a nice warm look. Then you can actually brighten it up even more for more white. You can see. It all depends on you and what kind of look you're going for. Now, if you're using a boom or something else, you can attach these to it. It's very simple. They use this adapter here, and they go onto it. You can pick these up at aftermarket. It's pretty simple. You can use these for something else too. I'll try to get it in focus. It feels okay. I do not like these catches here on anything. I kind of like the just flip latch ones, but it does the job. It folds in, folds out. You can tighten it up. It's got a spring in it. After it gets so high, the spring don't work, but I guess it helps if it's compact to pop it up. The legs here on the unboxing video, I couldn't get the other one to pop out all the way, so it looked odd to me. But after playing with it, scratch that. You see how hard this is? Shouldn't be that hard to do. There we go. You can set the legs up here, but you got a smaller kind of a footprint, or you can widen it out, which I prefer, so nobody comes over and knocks your light over. That's a big footprint. So sitting on top of this, there's a little bushing thing that I took off. It's got threads on it. Well, this goes on here, and it goes in here because there ain't no threads inside of this. It just sits down on top, just like so. You loosen this up. And then it tightens up. And then you got basically a light. So the base got a big footprint. You can give it a big footprint, or you can give it a small footprint. But I prefer these bigger footprints. What I'm going to do is finish this video up where I turn both lighting on and see what we got. So that's pretty much how you set up your newer lights. It's pretty straightforward. It's a simple assembly, if you can even call it assembly. I got two going on right now. I ain't played with my light settings. I ain't even looked at the monitor. I'm just turned them to a color I thought would look good. I'll see in editing, but later on I got to set this one up and play with the, lighting. It can be a pain, but they're going to be dedicated to this set and this set only. So once I get them set up, I shouldn't have to mess with them too much, dial them in and stuff. I'm very happy with them. I bought a set of 3. As I said before, they do come in a kit. You can get them with or without batteries. You can get them single, double. It depends on you. If you just need one, then you can just get the single one. I think it would make a good streaming light, especially where you can dim it so low. You can put it at the corner here, and or set it in front of you, kind of up high for the light to come on you. It's got the shader on the sides. I really like them. They do come with and without these now, so you can buy them both ways. Now, as I said, they come in many combinations. So if you got a set of these, or you think about getting a set of these and you found this video, let us know in the comment section, and everybody else who's found this video, because I check out comments. I know you probably do too. What you think about them? Was they worth the money? Do you like them? I ain't used them enough to give an honest product review of them, but here in a couple months I will. I might have a setting the scene up video coming soon, but right now this assembly video should do just fine. Hopefully you found it helpful, found some information on it. Maybe you didn't know what little plastic piece supposed to stay on it. Maybe you didn't read the instructions. I know I didn't. I just guessed at it at the unboxing video, and you see what got me. I actually forgot I took the little piece off and set the light on it, and it wobbled. Yeah, no, leave that on it for those. If you're going to put a camera or something on the tripod, then you can take that off, like a camera somewhere behind me. So if you're new, get subscribed, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.